What's up, Rebels? This is Sean Ogle of Location Rebel, on location, Paris, France. You might have noticed we got a little bit of a different backdrop going on today, but you should check out this view. Let's take a look at this. So this is my first time in Paris. The reason for coming here, twofold. One, to surprise my sister for her 31st birthday. The other, to cross off 5 bars on my quest to visit the top 50 bars in the world. You know, we're kind of excited about that. But in this video, we're not talking about any of those things. We're talking about what is affiliate marketing. So if you're starting a website, if you're starting a blog, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways you can actually start to monetize it, make money, build that holy grail of passive income. And if you already know the essentials of it and what it is and what it's all about, and you just want to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing, then we got a post linked above and below. So go check out that is all about, well, how to start affiliate marketing. But in this video, we're just giving you the absolute basics so that you've got a baseline of what to expect as you actually start implementing affiliate marketing into your business. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it because I got Parisian things to go see and do. Yeah, we fancy now. So the way we're going to structure this video is I'm just going to go through and I'm going to answer a lot of the most common questions I've received about affiliate marketing through other blog posts on locationrebel.com and through other videos. Some of the things that people seem to be struggling with the most as far as like, what are the basics? And so let's start with the most obvious one. What is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is when you get a special link. It's called an affiliate link. Who would have thought? You get a special link that goes to a particular product. And so if you put that link on a blog post, on a video, on an email, and someone clicks the link and buys the product, you get a commission. And there's all sorts of different ways this can work. Sometimes you get a recurring commission. So if it's for a monthly fee, then you'll get a small commission every month for the lifetime of that customer. So the next question is what type of products can you be an affiliate for? Well, the chances are if you can find it online, there's probably an affiliate program for that particular product. So the most common of which is Amazon. The Amazon affiliate program is the world's largest affiliate program. Basically within 5 minutes, anybody can sign up for it and they will give you a special link for anything that Amazon sells. And so if I put up a link, you can see I've got all my gear below. All of those are Amazon affiliate links. If you click that and you buy this camera that I'm using, then I'll get like a 6% commission on that sale. Also, a lot of software as a service businesses have affiliate programs. So maybe the email provider you use, the hosting account you use, companies like that often have affiliate or referral programs to help market their services. And a lot of information products have it as well. So if there are online courses that you've joined that you really like, there's a good chance that they provide an affiliate program and the commission's probably going to be higher for that information product than a physical product on, say, Amazon. Which brings us to our next question is how much money can you make affiliate marketing? So it really depends. Within Amazon, you're probably going to make between 4 and 8% on the high end for referring products. However, with information products, oftentimes you can get up to a 30 to 50% commission because there's no physical products to sell. So back when we had an affiliate program for Location Rebel, we had a 30% commission. So if you referred someone who bought the product at around $500, then you made around $150 referral fee just for sending them my way. So as you can understand, if you build up a brand, if you build up an audience, and you find some of these other information products that other people have created that are relatively high priced, then you have the potential to make quite a bit of money through doing that. I'm gonna let you in on an embarrassing little secret. Went and got coffee from Starbucks today in Paris. Starbucks. It's actually May 1st. It's Labor Day, so everything is closed except Starbucks. So that was what we wanted today. Starbucks coffee. I don't even drink Starbucks in Portland that much. Yep, exactly what you'd expect. Okay, let's go into a little bit more depth about what is an affiliate link. So when you join an affiliate program, you will get a special link for whatever product you create. And the chances are this link is gonna look kind of funny. It's gonna have a bunch of numbers and letters and referral IDs and all of this stuff. And that's basically just special information so that they can track when someone clicks on your link and goes to their website. So the way this is done is through what is called a cookie. So when you come to my site and you click one of my affiliate links, there is a tiny file that's buried into the deep recesses of your computer that basically just says, you click this link, and so when you come back to that website, even if you come back 2 or 3 or 4 weeks later, it recognizes that you first came to this site through my link. So that if you do end up buying something, it's got that information so that it can say, okay, you click this link and then 3 weeks later you bought the product, so we should give the affiliate commission to Sean. It's important to note that there's no viruses or anything negative or anything associated with that. When I say puts a file on your computer, you might think that that's going to be some nefarious thing. It's absolutely not. And pretty much every website out there now will drop a cookie of some sort so that it remembers your settings or remembers your preferences, so that when you're viewing a site, your user experience is going to be better. So is affiliate marketing a scam? The short answer is no, but there's a bunch of caveats to that. So there's a lot of scammy people within the affiliate marketing world, and that's important to remember. A lot of times there's people out there that are just trying to do whatever they can to get you to click the link so that if you do buy a product, then they're going to get paid. That includes, leaving faulty reviews and saying a product's great even if it's not, and all sorts of shady stuff like that. So that's important to keep in mind as a consumer when you're reading a review that is blatantly an affiliate review. You want to do your best to see if this person's actually being honest or not. A lot of times I read product reviews where it's very clear that this person has never actually even used or even held the product in hand. They just read all the statistics online and then write up something, learn how to rank for it using SEO, which we've got a whole guide to, linked below, and then they make a bunch of money without really having to do any work or actually helping people or creating value in the process. But affiliate marketing in general, when done honestly, is just a good way to reward people and compensate people for turning a new audience onto a specific product. This is not to be confused with MLM, which is multi-level marketing, or also often called referral marketing, which frankly is nothing but a pyramid scheme. You get your friends to join your thing, and then they get people under them to buy their thing, and then people under them, and really the only people that are winning are the people at the top. So affiliate marketing is a little bit different than that in terms of the fact there's no real pyramid to it, and you just gotta watch out for people that are not being honest. There it is. We're getting closer after like 3 days in Paris of not seeing the Eiffel Tower at all. We're almost there.
Oh, these tourists.
All right, well, I've now seen the Eiffel Tower in Shenzhen, in Las Vegas, and finally the real one. Pretty impressive, actually. It's bigger than the Vegas one. A lot bigger. So the great thing about affiliate marketing is that anywhere you can put a link online, you can generally add an affiliate link, as long as it's not going against like the terms of service of the website. So in a lot of forums or places like Reddit, you're not allowed to share affiliate links. But if it's on your own blog or to your own email list or to your own YouTube account or your own social media accounts, those are all places that you can share your link and potentially start building an audience and share your thoughts and get paid for your reviews. So what are the best affiliate programs to start with? Well, first off, we've got a link below to a whole video all about the best affiliate products that I think you should get started with. But the short answer is start with Amazon, because no matter what your site is about, no matter what you're talking about, chances are there's products in Amazon that are going to be directly related to it. And secondly, you should also find things that are very specific to your niche. So for instance, for my golf site Breaking 80, it might be going to like Dick's Sporting Goods or golfsmith.com or something that's really focused on golf, because the chances are, no matter what product I'm reviewing, those are the places that are going to allow me to get an affiliate link for that product. So if you're doing hiking gear and you're doing reviews on that, then you might check out REI, which has an affiliate program. The next question you might be wondering is, how do you find affiliate programs for your product or for your niche? Like I said, you can start with Amazon. We've got a link to how to get started with that below. But otherwise, the best way is to simply type in a product name or a niche name or a brand name and use a term like affiliate program or referral program or partner program. So for instance, it might be golf affiliate programs or Titleist affiliate program. Or if you're doing outdoor stuff, it might be REI affiliate program or Patagonia affiliate program or North Face affiliate program. And so by doing that, you can generally start finding links that are going to point you in the right direction. Another question related to this that I get asked a lot is, what is an affiliate network? So some companies, they run their affiliate program themselves. So you can go to their website and in the bottom, you might see like a link in their footer that says affiliates, and you sign up on their website through them. It's all done through them. those are a little bit easier to use. So there's also what are called affiliate networks, which is a larger company that manages the affiliate programs for a bunch of different companies. So examples of this that I've used are Commission Junction, Flex Offers, and Share a Sale. So you go sign up for them, and then within that site, you have to sign up for approval for each of the individual affiliate programs. So sometimes those can be a little bit larger, a little bit clunkier, a little bit harder to use, but there's a lot of benefits as well in the sense that you often get more resources. They'll potentially put a dedicated affiliate manager on your account. So you actually have someone you can call or email and get help or support as it relates to marketing for that company. So this could include potentially getting free stuff to review. This could include getting special like ads or banners created for your website. This could include, getting custom commission structures or coupon codes that you can use. There's a form of affiliate marketing that's basically called coupon affiliate marketing, where if you get a custom code that people can put in as the promo code, then you can get an affiliate commission for that. You don't see these custom coupon codes being made quite as much these days because people took advantage of them. They would go to sites like Retail Me Not, upload their coupon, and just make a massive amount of affiliate commissions. And that kind of goes against the spirit of what the whole marketing program is about. So you don't see that quite as much, but if someone's going to offer it to you, that could be a really easy way to both give your customers a discount and make more sales for you. Okay, so hopefully that was a good overview of the basics of affiliate marketing. We've shot a lot of videos lately around these types of topics. So if you want more specifics on some of the affiliate marketing mistakes that I've made, the best affiliate programs out there, how to get started affiliate marketing, we have links to all of those videos below, so those can provide a lot more details on exactly how to do it. And also we've got a link to the blog post that goes along with this video that you can find on locationrebel.com below as well. So all sorts of affiliate related stuff down there. Well, not down there, but down there on the video. Go just look at it. If you're interested, you'll find it valuable. Also, what else did I miss? What questions do you have about affiliate marketing? Leave a comment below. I'll do my very best to go to every single question and give you the best answer I can, because it's generally a pretty easy thing to get going with. It's one of the easier ways to start making money on the internet, but it does take time. There is a right way and a wrong way. It takes some trial and error to figure out the best ways to get started. And so I'm happy to share any knowledge from the things that I've learned over the years to help you do just that. And with that, I think I need to take a nap or something. Wasn't lying about the nap. This actually feels surprisingly good. We're in Paris, so I should probably go do something Parisian. Should go have some brie and a Bordeaux or something. But I think more realistically, I'm probably gonna nap on this couch for about 20 minutes and go from there. So if you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know I love the thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you on the vlog soon. Take it easy.